My name is David Jaffe. Welcome to the Wealth and Health Podcast, where you'll learn valuable skills and positive habits that will improve your life. This podcast originally aired as a video on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/BestStockStrategy. The Wealth and Health Podcast is brought to you by BestStockStrategy.com. Will the stock market crash? David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. And in this video, we're going to discuss whether I believe the stock market will crash or not. The short answer is I believe the answer is no. And there are two primary reasons why I don't believe the stock market will crash. Typically what happens during a market crash is that there's a lot of euphoria in the marketplace. If you remember some of the notable crashes that we've had, February and March of 2020, December of 2018, February of 2018, I can tell you that during those time periods, there was usually a large run-up to those specific crashes. Now, in December 2018, there really wasn't, because I also believe in October 2018, the market had a relatively significant pullback and volatility expanded. Then in November, it retraced those losses and it went up. And then in December, it plummeted. However, in January and early February of 2020, the market was going up tremendously. It was euphoric. And additionally, in January 2018, the market went up euphorically and then it crashed in early February 2018. So in general, the market is usually trading high, and there tends to be some type of euphoria before the market has a significant pullback. The other markers of a large pullback event is that typically volatility is trading very low. So the VIX is usually trading below around 15 and usually it's trading around 12 or 13. Right now, the VIX is trading at about 20. Now, the VIX at 20 is actually lower than it's been at any time over the past year. However, with the VIX at 20, it's still relatively elevated. So because of those two reasons, I definitely do not believe that we are headed for a crash. Then you also look at some of the additional supporting information regarding Amazon trading at about 12 to 15% below its 52-week high. Tesla is currently trading at about 20 to 25% below its 52-week high. Apple is also trading at about 15 to 20% below its 52-week high. So when you combine the fact that many of the largest companies in the world have already pulled back, that the market is not currently in a euphoric state, and the volatility in the S&P 500 index, which is measured by the VIX, is already relatively high, then for those primary reasons, I don't believe that we are headed for a crash. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. You can visit BestStockStrategy.com, enter in your email address, and receive over $400 of valuable free training. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on whether you believe we are headed for a crash, and I appreciate your attention. Visit BestStockStrategy.com and submit your email address to receive valuable free training. Please give this podcast a positive rating and review. If you have any questions, visit BestStockStrategy.com and send me a message.